Welcome to this tutorial on how to use your Expedia points. Expedia is a popular travel booking platform that rewards its loyal customers with points for every booking made through their website or mobile app. These points can be redeemed for discounts on future travel bookings, making your travel more affordable and enjoyable. First, you need to understand how to earn Expedia points. You earn points for every dollar you spend on Expedia, including flights, hotels, car rentals, and package deals. The more you book, the more points you earn. Once you have accumulated enough points, you can start redeeming them for discounts on your travel bookings. To use your Expedia points, start by logging into your Expedia account on the website or mobile app. Once you are logged in, click on your account profile and select the Rewards option. This will take you to the Expedia Rewards page, where you can view your points balance and available rewards. Next, search for your desired travel dates and destination. You can book flights, hotels, car rentals, or package deals using your points. When you find a travel option you like, click on it to view the details. If you have enough points, you will see the option to apply your points to the booking. You can use your Expedia points to pay for all or part of your travel booking. For example, if you have accumulated enough points to cover the full cost of a hotel stay, you can redeem all your points for a free stay. Alternatively, you can use your points to pay for part of the cost, such as the hotel deposit or a portion of the flight cost. When redeeming your points, make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. Some travel bookings may have restrictions or blackout dates, so it is essential to understand the rules before making a booking. Additionally, keep in mind that your Expedia points may expire if you do not use them within a certain time frame. So make sure to check the expiration date and plan your travel accordingly. In conclusion, using your Expedia points is a great way to save money on your travel bookings. By following these simple steps, you can redeem your points for discounts on flights, hotels, car rentals, and package deals. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully and plan your travel accordingly to get the most value from your Expedia points. Start redeeming your points today and enjoy more affordable and enjoyable travel experiences with Expedia.